Brad Williams, XL Prime. We're going to determine how many unique worker names are in a location. Here, we're going to use the sum len unique filters. How do we work this thing? Right to left. We're going to filter. What does a filter do? Allows you to filter a range of data based on your criteria. What's the criteria? Well, find anything that starts with an M and count it. Len. How many unique worker names are in location M? Location M. See this? M's. Here, we're going to use the filter. We're going to get this array, B5, B9. Worker name. Include C5, C9, M. If it's unique, there's going to be 3. That's our max. That is filter. If we take a look at it, array, F9, we're going to get Mike, Kim, Phil. Look where M's. M, M, M. We're going to go next to the len function. Text, F9. We're just going to get Mike, Kim, Phil. And here, make sure it's greater than 0. With this double unary, F9, we're going to get 1, 1, 1. And our answer is 3. Over here is a very long narrative. Read up. I cut things short here on purpose. You could dissect this on your own, including tearing this thing apart and finding any tips over here in this narrative. Brad Williams, XL Prime, see you soon.